is up, SNC gang? It's your girl Simone.
It's your girl Chase.
And we're back with another video / banker. And today we're looking for some handcuffs so we can do the 24-hour challenge.
It's not gonna be 24 hours though.
It's gonna be like
a few hours, like 10 hours.
We're gonna start on Saturday, but we're currently in Party City, helping my cousin
do this party for tomorrow. We're going to Apple tomorrow.
Yeah. Let me go ask some people. Excuse me, sir. Do y'all have handcuffs?
Where would our handcuffs be?
We're Party City.
Handcuffs. Yeah,
Out 10. Okay. So, where is my cousin Nikki at? So we're currently looking for the handcuffs.
Trying to get some
There
handcuffs.
go Nikki.
Look like we on some freaky stuff trying to get some handcuffs. That don't look right.
You need to hold the phone. I don't want to hold it. I always hold it.
Yeah, cause you
hold it up. Like you never do that.
I
do. Always hold it down. And the video be like this. Damn, what the handcuffs at?
Louder than a champion. The metal one?
Oh yeah, these good. We can use these. Come on.
Okay.
Okay, guys, we got the handcuffs.
Tell her.
So we got the handcuffs. There go our cousin Nikki. She probably didn't want to be on camera. No, I want to be on that. Stop playing, Chase. Okay,
I hit my thigh.
Let me hold it, because you can't hold the camera.
No,
hold the camera like this. This how you got the camera. Who want to see that? That's...
I don't like the colorful ones. I mean, I guess I could do this right here.
Okay. So we finna look for her colorful things. Excuse us.
Excuse me.
Here go the unicorn stuff.
Yeah. Get the balloon.
I'm gonna do a Minecraft party next month.
We don't need a handcuff. I'm not buying them.
That's treat bags.
How unicorn don't look like that?
It's a unicorn though. Oh, I gotta make sure I speed this up a little
So
bit.
she not gonna have a table to eat?
No, we don't. Early, so I'm gonna need
Oh, the treat bags right there. Right there, the big old, yeah.
That's 10. That means I got about 2 of those.
How many kids coming?
I don't know. I might just keep these things.
I gotta make sure we don't get copyrighted because you can hear the music in the background. I ain't got time for the copyright emails. You heard me, son? She don't like doing nothing. I edit all the videos.
I do the intros and the outros though.
She don't do nothing.
I can't do the intro right now because like the phone's kind of broke.
We don't got no intro right now
Gonna
because
get a
we
new
just haven't
Y'all gotta wait till I
decided
get
to
my
do an
phone.
intro yet.
I'm gonna have my phone back tomorrow though. It's fine.
She's just gonna
I'm
get
gonna do the intro tomorrow.
Yeah.
So by the time we edit post the
So,
video,
yeah.
I have an intro
We
and an
finna buy the
outro.
handcuffs.
Yeah, man.
And we're gonna do the handcuffs for 24-hour challenge. So stay tuned. Currently got the handcuffs on.
Here.
We just bought them. Let me go, dog.
Oh.
We just bought them. Now we gotta figure out how we gonna get in the car. Oh, how is we gonna get in the car? How we gonna get in the car? That's not funny. Come on.
Now I gotta go to the front.
No, get in. Oh, put it on. She cheating. I'ma win. Both.
Stop! Don't do it so tight.
Okay, y'all. So we got the handcuffs. We just like really got tired of it, so we just got in the car, cause yeah.
We know
So
how
I'm
we
not
gonna
in
get
the
in the
front
car.
seat. We're in the back.
Oh, you can just came over here.
We could have came through here and I could have crossed over. I told her that.
Well, yeah, we currently in the
like
car.
this.
So we're currently getting out the car to go to Family Dollar.
No! Move! Don't pull!
Oh yeah, I can't pull. Close the door. So we currently got the handcuffs on. Walking into Family Dollar. People gonna be looking at us like, what is they doing? Like, they too big for this. Walk behind me.
No, you walk
On the
behind
side of me. Cause you walking too fast.
You walking too
Currently walking out the store right now. Now we finna figure out how we finna get in the car. That's what we need to figure out.
Alright, so let me cross over.
Oh, I'm covering up the camera. Get in. First.
Unloosen it.
We in the car.
You gotta unloosen it.
Bro, come on, Chase.
You gotta unloosen yours with the key up. That's why I ain't do mine that tight.
Hold this. You gotta understand. What's up, SCC gang? It's your girl Simone.
It's your girl Chase.
And we're back with another video/banger. And today we're gonna be doing the 24-hour in handcuffs. Yesterday we started it, but
you know
my sister, she was doing too much about the handcuffs. Talking about, y'all can't go with me looking
hours.
like inmates and all that. So
we're gonna put
we
them on
finna
today
put them on right now
until like we leave, cause I gotta go to Apple to get my phone fixed.
Yeah, we gonna put. Hold it. Oh, you can't hold it. Okay, so hold on, wait, hold this.
Okay.
So currently
We
walking down the stairs from my sister's house. Dang, I do have to get in the back seat, bro. I don't want to get in the back. We currently got the handcuffs on. And
Oh, we
Chase
can do
got
what
her.
we did yesterday. In Nikki's car. I got in the back.
This mud tight. Yes, and there goes Harmony and Rachel.
Harmony.
Hey, girl. Wait, her head scarves on her head. You know black girls, how we do it.
Neither I had to lay down.
Pop
But
the
yes,
trunk.
we're currently gonna go to Chuck E. Cheese to our little cousin's party.
Yeah, they all like the
Yes.
pieces too.
So we currently got in the car, Chasing in the back seat. I'm in the front seat, so she got to sit like this with her seatbelt on, and I got to put mine on. And yeah, stay tuned. Currently made it to Chuck E. Cheese. If y'all, as y'all can see, we currently made it to Chuck E. Cheese, and we just got out the car and we got the handcuffs on. And let's see how this go in Chuck E. Cheese. They gonna look at us like we crazy or something. So yeah,
I'm sticking my hand in my pocket. Thank you.
you're welcome. So we currently in Chuck E. Cheese.
I already see their face. Be like,
So we currently made it past them. They really didn't say nothing. I think they're in the back. So we currently in Chuck E. Cheese. We made it past them. They didn't say nothing. Now we finna see our mama. And
See what she say.
yeah, there go Nikki back there. So there go Nikki back there, but
Hey, Celine. Hey, sir.
that shirt's so cute.
I'm hungry. I'm gonna go get something to eat.
I wonder where they at. Oh, let's go this way. Let's go this way.
Look crazy.
Girl, you doing too much. Just walk. Hey, mama. There go our mama. Say hey to the dog. She eating a salad. But yeah, we
I
currently
want a
made
piece,
it.
mama.
How you gonna get a piece?
Can I have some?
We currently made it to Chuck E. Cheese. We're in Chuck E. Cheese. And alright, come on. What we doing? And they don't have tokens. They got cards. It's not tokens no more.
They're right there.
Baby, oh, I forgot I was recording. I was going to say something. You know.
I get one.
look at her. She got the ring thing. Happy birthday.
There go the birthday girl.
Happy birthday.
Happy girl.
Oh, I was gonna say, wait, I don't think you did one.
There go Nikki. There go.
She keep talking about, where are my friends? Where are my friends? I'm like, okay. You finna find them, girl.
This is our YouTube video.
Yeah, give them all.
I don't know.
Wait, it's an hour play plan?
No, it's tokens on here because I paid for the thing. It's only, I think it's like 40 of them on there.
This is not gonna work. Put your seatbelt on.
I don't have to. Look. It don't go no further.
Strap it to the back. Put it through the bag. Oh my God. She's so.
Let's go. What if I go?
She's too big for this. She really is.
It's not doing nothing. We going to that next.
She really makes me mad. Because she's too big for this.
I know I do. Is it over?
No.
Oh, thank you, Jesus.
Take the seatbelt off. You already not supposed to be on it.
Come on.
You don't see that big old green button? She be acting slow, y'all. You have to play the video. Y'all, I don't want to do this.
I quit. Come on, let's.
You already used your card. You swiped.
No, I didn't. I didn't swipe the swipe down there. So
I want to play basketball, so come on. I'm using your card.
how you gonna shoot?
I'm right-handed, not left-handed. Come on. Hold the camera.
I wanna play too.
No. Turn it backwards. Hour/vlog, cause Chase act like she don't want to do it.
I can do it. I just gotta play.
Camera right here. And we I got 23 and she got 0.
No, I don't.
And the handcuffs on the floor.
The game re-end.
We're gonna do it.
Like,
Nah, the handcuff challenge open.
it's fast.
No, the handcuff challenge is actually an epic fail because Chase took the handcuffs off. So yeah, and I ain't got no play cards, so I don't know what I'm finna do. Cause yeah, but I'm really hungry,
What mama?
so I'm finna eat. That's what I'm finna do. I'm finna eat, cause I'm hungry. Cheese? Okay, so I'm currently gonna go get me something to drink. Cause guess who's thirst dry? Simone. And guess who's thirsty? Simone. So yeah, everybody keep looking at me like, why she holding her phone like that? But I'm gonna get me something to drink. Cause you know, I'm thirsty. And you know, I'm gonna, I guess, let me taste this lemonade.
Ew.
Like, ugh.
No, wait for me. No.
Girl, you act like, come on. Come on. Chase act like she don't know what she wants to drink. It's a caffeine free and it's, you know.
You want to know your name?
But yeah, make sure you like this video, comment on this video, subscribe to this channel. And this is gonna be the 24-hour handcuff challenge / vlog. And you know, finna eat some good old pizza. But stay tuned. She's too big to be thick. So, let me see your shirt. So he ain't putting on no back and forth shirt.
All right.
So he got your deposit. Oh, you did it? Oh, you got both of them say shit.
All these.
Hey Chucky, it's time for some Chuck E. Cheese birthday song.
Go back over there.
Right, Dylan? Oh, this is my favorite part of the show.
How you shoot, Morgan?
All right, everyone. You heard Tone and Jasper. It's time for Chuck E. Cheese birthday song.
Shout out to Albrecht. What's his name? Albrecht Fitz at Alameda Mall in Houston, Texas. You understand? Houston. Go get your Albrecht shirt. Morgan, let me see your shirt.
Follow me, and here
Turn around.
we go.
Yeah, Albrecht Fitz in Houston at Alameda Mall. Go get at him.
Stop your feet. Stop your dance, stop your dance, your guitar. Rocking out and having fun, birthday star. Put your hands up.
Morgan, go over there and dance.
Chuck E. Cheese, with them left, with them right, and now you're free.
And we're here. All the Rachel.
Birthday!
Shay Harmony on Instagram if y'all want to follow her.
Shay_Harmony, you know. It's the beautiful, the one and only Miss Harmony.
They go Harmony.
I like
know
the
the rest of
party.
these kids.
Chuck E. Cheese.
There go George. There go Louisa. There go Selena.
I like the party.
Everybody. Curling at Chuck E. Cheese. I got the back. Happy birthday, dear Madison. Happy birthday to you.
This has been a birthday party tourism. Oh my God! The party isn't over yet. All you come around and grab a picture of you. So make sure you got your camera and those smiles ready. Okay, now, one more time. Let's wish our birthday stars a
Her birthday was on Friday.
birthday on the count of three. Ready?
Oh, Lord.
1, 2, 3.
Currently at the front, I'm with our manager / sister. My nose hurt right here. I ain't got no booger. Don't try to get me. But yeah, we're currently. My bad, man. I don't want y'all to see her because I don't want her. So we're currently at Chuck E. Cheese. There go our manager.
Girl.
I stay getting her. We just ordered some food, even though we got enough food.
Thank you.
And yeah, there go Chase over there if y'all can see her. I don't know if y'all can see her, but yeah, stay tuned. But anyway, come this way.
Like Chuck E. Cheese himself. So, let's get our ears ready and wiggle our ears.
Let me help you, because you look like you're struggling, bro. Now where we gonna go now? Okay guys, now we're currently leaving Chuck E. Cheese. We not Rachel. We with our mama. Whoa, the door. That car needs that don't need some WD-40. Cause that's but yes, we're